Yeah. It's BMC Tony, man. Y'all know how I'm coming. Catch us down in Miami, been sitting on 60. All you niggas is fairies and we ain't fucking with pixies. BMC, that's my team, and we stay rolling switches, and we pulling the blinkers, so pass that fifth of Patron. Got your bitch in the gym, cause she know we blow strong. 50 racks on the table, yeah, we got money for show. And we stay with that strap just in case they kick down our door. We be reppin' the Dean, but we ain't from Ada Park. Heard them little niggas mobbing, so shout out to all them sharks. Got a bitch in the courts, but she be playing the part. But I ain't picking no sides, because you know I'm a king. I blow bands and get them, I do it all for my team. So it's bees up for Black Magic. Bitch nigga, it's cracking. Niggas say they move away, well pussy nigga, we taxing. Catch us off in that traffic, my niggas never lacking. Keep that 30 on my hip, and you know my niggas trapping, and we stay up on the thing.